Air India always felt like more than just an airline to me. It was a symbol of Indian pride in the skies. There have been times when halfway across the world, I have got a glimpse of an Air India plane and felt closer to India again. There's an air about Air India. They used to say, and there most certainly was, an air of luxury, an air of glamour brought by the cabin crew who were icons. In the earlier years, they actually used to wear lehengas and mangtikas. So for me, designing the uniforms for the new era was an incredibly exciting chance to create a new representation of India across the globe. Confident, vibrant, and proudly Indian. I wanted to stay true to Air India's roots while weaving in my own vision to represent the new chapter we are stepping into through the window of a new India. I began exploring quintessentially Indian hues. A beautiful deep red, aubergine, and an elegant gold, creating intricate patterns inspired by the iconic Air India window, which has ascended to become the Vista.